Hey, I'm John Adams with Modern Design Aquascaping. We build custom ponds, waterfalls, and fountains out of natural stone and wood. We're super excited. We're going to start putting together content about how to build water features, why to build water features, where to build water features, anything we can do to teach you why we do what we do and what our 25 years of experience has led us to understand. We're also going to share project highlights. So anytime we travel about the country or the world to do an awesome project, or even if it's right here in our backyard in Friendsville, Tennessee, we're going to cover highlights on those projects just for inspiration. Our goal with our channel is to teach you how to make an educated decision on water features, whether you're learning how to build one for yourself or whether you're just learning about how it should be done properly so you can choose the right contractor. We're a family business here. My wife is the person you talk to when you call into our office. My boys are the team that's out there building our art. We serve, for the majority of our work, we serve the Knoxville area market, but we do work all over. So large custom projects take us to places like Canada, South America. We work for other people, other pond builders. We're hired pond guns, if you will. We're constantly learning and setting the bar artistically for anything that we can do with water. So our goal is to bring water into everyone's life and to improve your quality of life with water. On our YouTube channel, our goal is to put out content at least every 2 weeks. My ultimate goal is to do one project showcase every 2 weeks and one educational video every 2 weeks, but we're just getting the ball rolling, so I don't want to set the bar too high, but we're going for it. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, like our YouTube channel. What do? You subscribe to YouTube? Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got all this content that we're putting out there for you, so enjoy it and let us know what you think.